CGL Tier-II paper number 2. Now in this one reasoning section starts from question numbers 21 onwards, 31. Then 31st one, gold prices. Now these gold prices are rising every day in the market. Now the gold prices are rising each day in the market. Then what are the conclusions that can be drawn? Nobody wears gold nowadays. Because as the prices are increasing means there is more demand for this one, isn't it? And it has become tougher to locate gold shops anywhere here, but whereas now it is difficult for the persons to purchase this one because the prices are very high. And so what is your answer? Neither one nor the choice 4. The next one 32. Now here in this one, two striker of Brazilian football team missed all 3 group league matches in the World Cup due to hamstring injury. Not 2 strikers of Brazilian football team, then they have missed out all the 3 group league matches in the World Cup. And the reason is also clearly given, injury. Brazilian football team lost 2 matches and won 1 match in the group league. Then what is your answer here? What is the cause? Why they have lost this match? Because 2 strikers and they were not present in this World Cup in these matches. Hence, this is the reason why they lost this match. If star performance match aadaledu. Danvalla emoutundi cheppandi? Anduku match odipayaru. And so what is your answer? 1 is the cause and 2 is the effect. Choice 1. Cheppachaledu. What is the main reason behind they lost 2 matches? Because then these 2 strikers were not present in that match. The next one 33. The inmates of jail X are very dangerous people. Now courses of action. Course of action means as these people are very dangerous, then what are the courses of action we need to take? More security persons should be deployed or not? As these people are dangerous, hence it must be and very safe. In order to keep that one safe, hence more security persons should be deployed. And some inmates should be shifted to a different jail. And some inmates should be and to a different jail. Now inmates andare marcheyala ledhu kada. Now as these persons were there, it is not solving the given problem. And so what is your answer? Choice for question number 33. The next one 34. The company has announced a new product line that includes eco-friendly packaging. And the company is committed to reducing its carbon footprint, isn't it? That is the reason why they have introduced eco-friendly packaging. Then second, the company is responding to customer demand. Whether the customers were demanded for this one or not, that is not known. And so what is your answer? Only 1. Choice 1, question number 34. The next one 35. It is based on data sufficiency here. How many children are there in between S and U in a row of children? S is 15 from the left hand side. As S is 15 from the left hand side, there are 14 persons to the left hand side of S. And there are 14 persons to the left of S. Then, next one. Now with the help of this one, there is no information about Q at all. We cannot definitely fix this one. And 2 alone, U sits exactly in the middle and there are 10 children towards his right. Now U is exact in the middle, there are only 10 persons to the right hand side. The position of S is not known, hence 2 alone is not sufficient. Then by combining these two, and there are only 10 persons here, and again U is exact in the middle. As U is exact in the middle of the line, and there are 10 children towards the right. As U is exact in the middle, there must be 10 persons to the left hand side of U as well. Because U is exact at the center. Altogether, how many were there? 21 people were there. Now S is 15 from the left hand side, 10 plus 11, and 12, 13, 14, and S is here. Are you getting the answer or not? How many persons are between S and U? 3. How did you get the answer? By combining both the statements. Hence, both 1 and 2 are together required. Choice 3, question number 35. The next one, 36 onwards, it is based on critical reasoning. Some days are weak. Now these are the days that are weak. Some days are weak. And all months are days. Some days are weak, all months are days. No month is a calendar. No intersection between month and a calendar. Then first one, some calendars are weak, that is false. No month is a week is definitely true. No month is a week 2 and it false or into some months are week. Hence alternate diagram to previous conclusion false. In this diagram, some calendars are weeks 2 and now also the first one is false. Hence neither one nor two. Choice 3, question number 36. The next one 37. Now in this 37, the relation between X and G. X is here, G is here. Which element is common? K is common. X greater than or equals to K and K greater than G. Hence X greater than G, definitely true, first one. Then coming to the next one, between K and H, two opposite symbols, no relation can be drawn. Only one is true, question number 37. Then coming to 38, now shield and guard. Now shield will have a guard, the grip of the shield is a guard, and spanner, and to keep hold of this one you need to have a grip. And choice one, question number 38. Then next one, question number 39 onwards. Now in this 39, it is based on mirror image. Now find out the mirror image to this one 39. Now W, which is at the left hand side, must be to the right hand side. These two were ruled out. Then we have left with only 1 and 3. Now W, T, P, L, 5, B, 9, hash and Z. Then what is your answer here? Choice. And L to W, T, P, L, W, T, P, L, next one 5, after B, next one 9 hash and this must be Z. Z it is S that is ruled out. Then coming to 40. Now in this 40 with the help of these letters, tell me what is the word that can be formed. As dispute, D-I-S-P-U-T. As dispute is the word that can be formed with the help of these letters. What is the value of this D? 4 and I is what? 2 and next one S is 7 and 4 to 7. 4 to 7 it is given only in choice one. Then dispute is the word we have 40. The next one 41st. Now in this 41, choose the water image. Now what is the water image here? U will be here, isn't it? The next one 4 and the water image to this 4. Next one is P and 1 and 5. Now 5 saripenda. Now in this one what should be this 5? 5 is like this. And U4 P1 5 and next to 5 and it must be B and 7. Now B and 7, tell me what is your answer in this case? Now 40 it is, 41 it is choice 3. Then 42nd, now we need to find out the embedded figure into this one. My embedded, tell me in which figure, which choice we can able to find out the same figure. My can start Jason, can you take this figure or not this one? From here, now this is the line, then this is the slant line and again and this is the line one. Then hence what is the image here? Choice one, question number 42. In next one 43. Then we need to find out the next figure in this one. Now these two. Now the center figure is rotated by how many degrees? 90 degrees in which direction? Anti-clockwise. Arrow which is pointing, now it is pointing like this. Again this arrow is pointing towards which direction? 90 degrees. Then it must be 90 degrees like this. That means opposite to this figure. Opposite to this figure 90. And circle must be at this place and this cannot be the answer. Now here choice 3 is the answer because circle must be at the bottom. My arrow left hand side manaki em undali circle undali. Manaku తిరిగినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? arrow ఇటు పక్క వస్తుంది, arrow left hand side cycle వస్తుంది. And choice 3, question number 43. Then 44. Now in this 44, then analogy. Now in this analogy, tell me what is your answer here. Now in this, now this is the part that has been cut. And this is the part that has been cut. Then, now e part law is put. Then, and similarly here, now if it has been cut like this, now the law cut cheste. Then which part that has to be taken? Choice. Bottom part they have taken. Now they have taken this bottom part, top part is removed. Now here also this is the bottom part, you have choice 1, 44. Then 45, now here, now unfolded, paper folding and paper cutting. Now in this one, from here to here, it is, water image. Water image, now this circle will be here, square is here. Now this pentagon in the reverse order. isn't it? Now from here to here, water image, mirror image. Now mirror image, now the square is at this place, circle is here, now circle and a square, now here, now this is the pentagon we have. And this is the same pentagon we have. Now Japan A choice undilo. Choice 3 is the answer, question number 45. Then 46th one. Now in this 46, and which is opposite to 2. Now 2 ke opposite ఏముంది అని అన్నాం. Now 2 ke opposite ఉంది, 2 ke opposite 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And out of which 2 ki పక్కనే ఉన్నాయి 1 and 4. It cannot be opposite. And ఇక్కడ 2 పక్కన 1 and 6. It cannot be opposite. 2 cannot be opposite to 2. And either 3 or 5 is opposite to 2. అవునా కదా? And 3 and 5. Now between 3 and 5 మనకి ఆన్సర్ ఏం రావాలి చెప్పండి. Then now 3 and 5. Now between 3 and 5, now 1, 4, 2, 1, 6, 2 and 5, 4, 3 is here. 5 తర్వాత 4 రావాలి, 4 తర్వాత 3 రావాలి. అవునా కదా? And 5, 3, 4, these 3 in the clockwise direction. Now 4 is here. Now 4 ki next ఏం రావాలి? 5 రావాలి. And clockwise. And bottom will be 3. Then, and switch is opposite to this one. 5 is opposite, that is choice to question number 46. Then 47th one, J plus. Plus stands for J is the father of C. Now the J is the father of C and C into K. And C is the mother of K, J is the father, C is the mother, K minus. K is the sister of M and M divided by K. K is the sister of M divided by K, M is the brother of K. M is the brother of K. Then how is J related to K? K's mother's father, grandfather, maternal or paternal, mother's father, that is choice 3, 47. Then 48, 5 and 9. How can I express this one? 5 into 2, 10. Minus 1 is so much. Minus 1, that is 9. 9 into 2, 18 minus 1, 17. 17 into 2, 34 minus 1, 33. And 65 into 2, 130 minus 1, 129, choice 2. Into 2 minus 1, into 2 minus 1, 48. Then 49th one, our product does not meet your requirements, then we will refund. Isn't it? And if the product does not meet your requirements, that means if you are not satisfied with the product, then what will you do? Once you bought, then you will refund this one. And refund, that is choice for question number 49.